Now here's something I thought I would try. Remember I said you probably should put masking tape or something like that. Well, I don't have any masking tape. I've got some blue tape, like masking tape, but it's only about maybe 1.5 inches wide. Well, I got some shipping tape here, and I've already done this one. This is the one where I didn't put any tape down. See the mark right here? That's that dust that kind of fell. I'm going to just try to take my tape and put it on there and see if I can't pick some of that up before I put the simple green on. I picked up some. It's hard to see on here. I thought it might do better than that, but it's already in there. That dust, you know, just from taking this hinge pin out, just by tapping it, I could see dust coming out of it. And because I did 4 on this particular door, all the dust came down here. And so I'm gonna have to see that mark there. That's what's gonna happen on your carpets. So before I do the ones downstairs, I'm gonna take this shipping tape. I'm gonna put that down on the floor first. So here I am downstairs, and see, you can already see some discoloration here, and that's not from me taking these out to put the grease on. That's from, I had to pop some hinge pins off this particular door. I had to work on because it was sagging before, it was up too high, and I had to adjust the entire door. So I had to pop the hinge pins. I had to pop these hinge pins out from before the painters even got here. And see what happened on the floor? See, you can see right there. That's what could possibly happen to you. Right there, not this shadow. This is the shadow of the camera. This right in there. That's what can happen, get on your carpet once you pop these pins out. So for me not to do any more, I gotta pop all these pins out down here. I just got my clear tape, my shipping tape, and it's at least 2 inches wide. So I can put it on there, and I'm even going to go out another almost 2 inches, overlap this a little bit. I'm coming out this far because I don't want to get any more of that stuff on the carpet. And especially if you don't have any on the carpet, for you, you don't want to even make the assumption, you know, don't even make the assumption, oh well, I'll just not do anything and I'll see if it comes out. It's hard to see it come out. Okay, so now I have to do over here from where the door was because I couldn't get underneath the door. Okay, so I'm just gonna, there. Now I've got this covered, I've got that covered. All right. Now I'm going to keep the camera rolling. I didn't adjust every single door in here from before. And you see, let's see. See this one here? This one I don't think I had to pop hinge pins off. I must not have, because the carpet's still nice and clean. The carpet's nice and clean over there. So to keep it like that, before I take these pins out, I'm going to go and do the same thing I just did for that other door. I'm not taking any chances. Let's get this in there. It doesn't take very long to do this. Okay. That, and then I got to make sure, don't forget on the inside too. Oh, see this one here, the carpet goes all the way inside. Okay? I always like to put my knee pad down. I don't know why, I just do it. Protects my knees, especially on concrete or a wood floor, tile floor, anything like that. Okay, so I got this far, and all the way across there. Yeah, you know, how long did that take? If you wanted to time me, 45 seconds. Okay, so now I've got to do all the doors down here. I'm going to do the same thing. Once I get done, don't leave that tape down there too long. Okay? Leave it down too long. You want to pull it up that same day, especially after you get done wiping everything down. Don't forget to pull that up, because if you leave that there for 3 or 4 days or even longer and you start pulling it up, it could leave the sticky back residue on top of your carpet. If it does that, any dirt is going to be attracted to that sticky bit on top of the carpet. And then you're going to have a dirt spot there. You're going to be like, how did that happen? I already put the tape down there. Okay? So I got lots of doors to do. Even the bathroom doors. The bathroom door, because it closed, it opens in, I'm still going to put the tape from here out. Okay? Because this, when you pop this pin out, the dust can fly down, and some of it's going to land on the carpet right in here. Especially when you knock out these top pins, the dust can come down, and it can even filter over even further than 4 inches. So if you don't think 4 inches or 3.5 inches is far enough, see, it's right to there. Bring it out even further if you want. I might do that just on the outside, because this is where it's probably gonna want to blow this way, depending if you have your air conditioner on or windows open and it's breezy or anything like that. You could throw another little piece of tape on there. And I've got all kinds of shipping tape, and that is gonna be good. If I only had one little roll of masking tape, I'd probably save that for something else, and I'd use my shipping tape anyways. Okay, but you can use regular masking tape, 2-inch wide, 1.5 wide. See, if you only have 1.5 wide, then you've got to put 4 or 5 strips out there, you know, because you want to overlap each piece and stuff. So even with the doors that open into a woodish, tile-ish floor, such as this is not tiled. Doesn't that look kind of cool? These are individual squares, and they're actually some sort of architectural wood tile, and it clicks together and stuff, and it has a non-slip surface. So I'm saying, even there, I'm gonna put the tape right in through here. Okay, do a good job, and then when you get done, make sure you wipe everything up. You pull the tape up and you wipe your tile floors, your linoleum floors, all that stuff all the way around it, kind of like what I did. See, here's my bucket from before. I brought it down here to get ready. It's even new. I might have to dump. Nah, that's just stuff on the bottom, but I don't only need that much water. I'm going to take my simple green right here and just a crummy little sponge. That's it. Now I'm going to wipe down the floors once I get all done. Okay? Everything is always the same, and you start getting in the habit of doing things right, and it's just going to progress and follow you to whatever you end up doing next time and next time and next time. So see, I still got a few more doors here. Here's another door. Here's another door. There's a closet door. Each door's got 4 hinges. Here's one. This one even goes. This door here even goes to the heating room, and there's a water heater out here. I'm going to do this one too. Of course I am. I'm going to do them all. See, this door here. This one goes underneath the house. And I'm gonna get up underneath there later, one of these days, and check things out. But I'm gonna even pop these pins off. I don't know, I'm just gonna do it because I'll be right in the thick of it. If that was the only door, I probably wouldn't mess with it at all. Okay, so I had just as many doors inside. I'm gonna have to clean that off. Painters had some paint marks there, and those marks were smaller, by the way. And I told them, I says, hey, you guys need to clean up, and here's a couple spots you need to do. And they were just white spots from the white paint that dripped through the plastic. They had plastic everything, and then the plastic got some holes in it. So what do you think they used? They used goof off. They used goof off. They wiped that on there, and what happens with goof off, if you use goof off on carpet a lot, you'll think, oh man, it took it off really nice. But then what happens, it leaves that residue once it dries. Whenever you walk on here, just the dirt from your shoe, when you walk on it, it's gonna act as a magnet, and you're gonna see the mark. It's all the way where you put your goof off, and they used it all the way. They rubbed it and rubbed it. The mark was, mind you, was just a little one. They could have done a little bit better job, but they foo-pawed it. And I ended up getting a carpet cleaner, and this wasn't going to be part of the video, but you never know what you're going to get when you watch my videos, right? I went to the store, and kaboom! I got this cleaner, whole home cleaning from floor to ceiling. This is a Hoover, and it comes with the attachments, and it's an actual, no, wait a minute, that's not it. Sorry about that. That's an actual vacuum right there. We had that at our other place. We needed one because the other one was in storage.